Hi, hello, a very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to maths class. In the last class, we have started a new chapter, 12th chapter, that is algebraic expression. In that class, we have discussed some definitions related to this chapter. What is algebraic expressions and the terms and factors in that, and types of terms, that is like terms, unlike terms, what is term, what is factor, what is coefficient, how to find coefficient, and all. Okay, so and monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. So I am here with a new exercise, that is 12.1. In this session we'll see exercise 12.1. Okay, so the 12.1 exercise, first one is get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variable, constant, and arithmetic operations. See here, we know that what is variables. Variables, the alphabets we are using in this expression, so we call it as variable. Xy, for example, 3xy plus 4z plus 3. This is an expression. In this, we are using alphabets x, y, z, LMN, whatever it may be. So the alphabets are known as variables. It can change. It does not remain same. So that is nothing but variables. Next, numerical. See here, the numbers is nothing but constant. So these are alphabets are variables, and numbers 3, 4, 3, these are constant. It does not change its value. Okay. So we know that what is variable and what is constant, and arithmetic operation is nothing but plus, minus, into, and all. Okay. So in this, the statements are given. We have to write in equation, expressions. Okay. So the first one is subtraction of z from y. First one, in that first, subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z from y means subtraction of z from y. From y we are subtracting z. So first we have to write y minus z, because we are subtracting z from y. So y minus z is the expression here. Okay. So the second one half of the sum of number x and y. One half of the number, one half of the number of the sum of number x and y, of the sum of number x and y. So here we know that one half means 1 by 2. This is one half of the sum x and y, of the sum x and y. So this is one half of the sum x, y, and y. So here you can write it as 1 into x plus y is x plus y divided by 2. This is how you can write. Okay. So one half of the number x plus y means 1 by 2 into x plus y is the expression here. Okay. So third one, the numbers that multiply by itself. Third one, see here, the number z. This is z, and multiplied by itself means multiplication means into itself means z into z. Z into z is nothing but z square. Understood? So this is the expression. Fourth one, 1/4 of the product of number p and q. 1 by 4 into p into q. This 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th take homework. Okay. So these are the statements you have to write in expressions. Okay. So next one is second question. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by T diagram. I will explain this. What is T diagram? Here, second question. In that first, identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by T diagram. So in that first, A x minus 3. So what we have to do? We have to write terms and factors. Here what yesterday I explained what is term and how to find factors. So with the help of T diagram, see here, in this there are two terms, that is x and 3. There are two terms and factors, x into 1 and 3 into 1 is the factor. So we have to draw a T diagram. T diagram, see here, T diagram. So here x and here minus 3 with the sign. With the sign we have to write. Okay. So the next one is 1 plus b, 1 plus x x square. See here we have to separate these three terms. 1 x square. We have to separate first terms, then factors. 1 into 1 is 1, x into 1 is x, and here there is 2x, x into x. So we have to separate here factors. X into x is x squared. So these are the singles. So we have to write like this. So this is the T diagram. T diagrams. Okay. So C, D, E take homework. We have to write with negative sign. Okay, here in EC minus AB is given, so we have to write with negative sign. Okay, so the second one, identify terms and factors in the expression given below. Here we have to find, we have to identify terms and factors. So in box you can write second one, identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. A minus 4x plus 5, b minus 4x plus 5y, c 5y plus 3y square, d xy plus 2x square y square, e pq plus q, f 1.2 AB minus 2.4B plus 3.6 A. So these are the questions, and G has also given here. P by 4x plus 1 by 4, H 0.1 P square plus 0.2 Q square. See here, what we have to find here? Terms and factors. So these are the expressions. Here terms and factors. So in these are the expressions. So first separate. Terms means this is one term and this is one term. Arithmetical operations in middle we have to separate two. So these are the terms. Minus 4x comma 5. These are the terms. Next, minus 4x comma 5y. 5y comma 3y square. So we have to remove arithmetical operations. That's it. We have to take comma. These are the terms, right? All terms. See, remove comma. See here, this is minus 2.4b. So we have to take with minus. If there is plus, so no need to write plus sign. If there is minus in this, so we have to take with minus. Here, minus 2.4b. Okay. So write this here. I will show only three. Next here, factors. Factors means, see here, one term. We have to take this minus 4, comma x, comma 5. So these are the factors. These are the factors. Minus 4, x, 5. We have to separate all variables and constant. Okay. Understood? Next one. Take this minus 4, comma x, comma 5, comma y. Here 5, comma y, comma 3, comma. Here there is a y square. Y is 2 times. So we have to take y as 2 times. Y into y. So like this we have to write terms and factors. Terms we have to remove operations, and in the factors we have to split all. If there is a x square, so we have to write x into x. If there is a y square, we have to write y into y, means y comma y. So these are the solution for second. Next, third question, identify the numerical coefficient of terms other than constant in the following expressions. Here we have to find numerical coefficient. In the last class I explained what is the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient means numerical means number. Coefficient, numbers coefficient we have to find here. Okay. So the third one is third one, identify the numerical coefficient of terms So here we have to find terms other than constant and numerical coefficient. So third one, see here, first expression is 5 minus 3t square. So here 5 is constant. Here we have to write terms other than constant. Means we have to leave this constant. We have to take only variables with variable numericals. 3t square. 3t square minus 3t square, because with 3t square there is a minus sign. We have to take minus also. So minus 3t square. Here numerical constant. We have to write numerical constant. So what is, see here, this is numbers and this is alphabets. This one is variable and this one is numerical constant. So we have to write numerical constant here. So coefficient of this variable is minus 3. Okay, so numerical constant we have to write. Second thing, 1 plus t square plus t cube. Here 1 is constant and t square and t cube is the other than constant. So in this expression only 1 is the constant. t square and t cube are variables. So here we have to see the with variable numerical constant. Here with the t there is nothing, so we have to take 1. Here t square with t square there is 1. With t cube there is 1. So we have to write 1, 1, 1. T square and t cube. The numerical constant is, the coefficient of this variable is 1, 1, 1 because there is nothing with t. So what we have to do? We have to take 1, 1, 1. So the coefficient are 1, 1 and 1. So here the third one is x plus 2xy plus 3y. So here there is all variables, write x, 2xy, 3. So with x 1, with xy 2, with y 3, you have to write 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay. So take other all homework. Understood? The next fourth one. Hope you understood this one. First, understood what is term, what is coefficient, what are factors, and all. Okay.
Basic book on third science.
Identify terms which contains x and identify terms which contains x and give the coefficient of x. So here, first one see x y square x plus y. We have to identify only contain x and give the coefficient of x. So first one see here y square x plus y. In this, we don't want this y because in the question, fourth one see identify terms which contain x. The question clearly says which contain x, so we have to take only x contains its terms and give the coefficient of x. So we have to give the coefficient which contain x, y square x, and in this the coefficient of x means we have to take other than x. Coefficient of x is y square here because we are taking here coefficient of x. So we have to write y square is the coefficient of x. For example, 2x, we are writing 2x. So in this, we have to write coefficient of x. What we have to do? We are writing 2. 2 as the coefficient of x. So similarly, the coefficient of x is y square. We have to write coefficient of x is y square. Here in the second question, see second one. 13y square minus 8yx. In this, only term containing x. So this is not this term is not containing any x. So remove this. Take only minus 8yx. So the coefficient of x means we have to see the coefficient. See, remove this. Remaining part is minus 8y. Minus 8y is the coefficient of x. Understood? So this is how we have to write only x term. See in third x plus y plus 2 only you have to see x term. So the coefficient of x is here 1. If there is nothing, you have to write 1. Okay? Identify terms which contains y square and give the coefficient of y square. So B, take homework here, identify the terms. We have to identify the terms which contain y square and the coefficient of y square. So only you have to write where is which term contain y square you have to write, and with that you have to write the coefficient of y square. That's it. Understood? So this 5th, 6th, 7th will explain tomorrow. In the next class, I will explain this one. Okay. So write homework. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Hope you understood today's class. Thank you.